The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to sign up for Slack, how to join the Workspace for the Learning Design and Technology program at CU Denver, and how to make the most of the app. Begin by clicking the link provided to join our Slack workspace. This will bring you to this page. Start by entering your email address. You may choose to use your school email address, or you may use your personal email address. Then click to verify your email. This will send an email with instructions on how to join the workspace. Once you receive the email, click to confirm, and you will be brought to this page to join our workspace. Begin by entering your full name and choose a password. You can choose to deselect the box that gives Slack permission to send you email. On the Welcome page, you can click Explore Slack, which will give you a tutorial on how to use Slack. I recommend this tutorial for anyone who is new to Slack. If you already know how to use Slack, feel free to click Skip Tutorial. Let's now explore navigation within our Learning Design and Technology Slack workspace. On the purple left sidebar, you will see a list of channels. I like to think of channels as being separate email accounts for one specific purpose only. Upon joining our workspace, you will be added to a few of our most popular channels. You have the option of leaving those channels or joining other channels. When you click on a channel, you will see at the top of the page there is a set purpose for the channel. Our landing page is LDT Resources. The purpose of this channel is for all communication and announcements in the LDT program. When scrolling through the LDT Resources channel, you will find contributions such as resources, course rotation, and plans of study. You are invited and encouraged to contribute to any channel. Let's say I want to post about the DevLearn conference coming up later in the year. I'll look over my channels and decide the most relevant channel to post in. In this case, it would be the Events and Conferences channel. One way to contribute is simply with text. You can also copy and paste links. But let's say I'd like to post a flyer that is an image file housed on my computer. Slack is very intuitive and user-friendly, so one option is simply to drag and drop the file from my computer into Slack, adding in whatever description is necessary prior to sharing. The other option would be to click on the plus sign next to the text entry box and search for the file on my computer. Or I can search in connected apps, like Google Drive. It may feel overwhelming to keep up with all the channels in Slack, but Slack has a solution for this. Anytime you post in a channel or comment on someone else's message in a Slack channel, Slack will display those messages in your threads. Simply click on Threads above Channels, and you will see all the threads you are actively participating in. This is a great way to continue contributing to ongoing discussions without needing to click back and forth between channels. Now let's discuss creating channels. To add a channel, I will click on the plus sign next to the channels on the sidebar. You are welcome and encouraged to create any channel you'd like within our Slack workspace. These could be public or private. Let's walk through the creation of a channel. Let's say I want to create a public channel for everyone enrolled in a course during a particular semester. I want to promote class discussions and have a space for classmates to ask and answer questions. First, I will name my channel. Let's say I'm creating this channel for everyone enrolled in LDT 5100 in fall of 2019. I'll then give my channel a purpose. And optionally, I could choose to send invitations to people I would like to join this channel. I will also choose if I want to make my channel public or private. And it's that simple, a brand new channel for your purpose. A great use of private channels is to create a communication hub for group projects. For example, say I'm working on a group project creating a webinar with 3 other people. Rather than multiple email threads getting lost in my inbox, think of a private Slack channel as a project-specific email account. This is my personal favorite use of Slack. You can upload files to your group's channel, respond to threads, and do everything you would normally do by email, but in a much more organized manner. Another way of communicating within Slack is with direct messaging. Here you are able to directly communicate with anyone a part of the workspace just by typing in their name. No need to remember an email address. The last thing I want to mention is settings and preferences. When you click on the very top of the sidebar, you will see a list of settings and options. Under Preferences, you can customize the way you receive notifications, the way messages look and feel, settings for your sidebar, and other preferences for your workspace. In that same main menu, you can also download the desktop application for Slack, which interfaces a bit better than the website. Slack is also available as a free mobile app. Our vision for the LDT Slack workspace is for students to open Slack whenever they are logged into Canvas and working on coursework. It will be a place to share tools, a place to seek and give feedback, to network and hang out with classmates, and to bring organization to group projects. Feel free to reach out in the LDT Resources channel if you have any questions and need any help. Thanks for watching, and I'm looking forward to chatting with you in Slack.